to see BCD to 7 segment decoder. So this is what is input and output. There are 4 inputs A, B, C and D, and there are 7 outputs A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is the truth table where we have taken the 4 inputs which is BCD inputs. As we know, in a 7 segment display there are 7 segments, so there are 7 segment outputs, and after that the display patterns from 0 to 9. These are the expressions according to the K-map, the summation equations and the minimized expressions according to which we are going to design our code. Further, this is the structural modeling code in which we have taken 4 inputs and 7 outputs. We have assigned 4 inputs and 7 outputs, and this is the rough diagram of 7 segment display, in which we can see the 7 segments A, B, C, D, E, F and G. This is the architecture, and we have assigned H signal. Actually there are 10 H signals, 0 to 9. We have assigned them, we have indexed them according to that, and this is the code. A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1 and G1 are the outputs assigned. To understand this, we can say if A1 consists of index 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, then these particular lines will light up, and if 1 is not there, then 1 will not light up, and that digit will get shown on that display. This is the test bench code. 0, 1, this is the test bench code in which we will assign some tests and we will check it on Xilinx. So now let's create a new project. We'll name it BCD C. We have named this BCD underscore 7 segment. Then next, 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 and finish. So now we have created our project. Now new source. Here we'll say BCD underscore 7 underscore. We have given the name to VHDL module. Next, we have to assign the inputs A, B, C, D, A1, so ABCD are inputs, A1, B1, C1, D1 further are outputs. Finish. Going further, here we have to write our entire code. We can see that ABCD are mentioned as input pins, and A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1 and G1 are shown as output pins. So I have written the code. Let's check the if our code is running or not. To create on synthesize, yes, our code is correct. Now let's create the test bench. New source, test underscore 7 segment, and let's select the VHDL test bench. Next, finish. Now here we have to assign the test benches. So let's put the architecture of the code into these Xilinx. This is the architecture in which there is a H signal we have assigned. After that there are actually there are 10 H signals. We have indexed them from 0 to 9 and then assigned the A, B, C and D according to the expressions that we have seen earlier. After that A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1 and G1 outputs are also assigned with the indexes. For an example, in A1, if 0th index, 2nd, 3rd, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th index is shown, then these segments on the display will light up and others will not light up, which will create a final output. So going further, this is the behavioral code. Going further, writing the test bench code here. A writing the test bench code